If I could start day trading all over again, I would do these 3 things. And what are those 3 things? Well, number 1 is I would learn to manage risk better. I would learn how to understand risk. What exactly is risk? How much am I risking on every single trade, to risk to make and risk to lose? And I would figure out what is that perfect number for myself, not for somebody else, but for myself. Number 2 is I would have a trade plan. Every single time I enter a trade, I would always know exactly where my entry is, my target, and my stop loss. And I would never ever deviate from that. And number 3, you're gonna want to stick around for this one, is always know what you're trading. Understand the market environment that you're trading. Understand the product that you are trading. Know everything about it. For myself, it's the S&P E-mini futures. I've been trading that for 17 plus years. I look at it every single day. I know pretty much where it's going to stop and reverse with a high likely success rate. Why? Because it's something I look at every single day. I understand it better than I understand anything else because I've done my 10,000 hours. So hopefully you can become successful day trading. I believe in you, and I think you could do it if you follow those 3 things. So with that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, go check out my course at daytradingfearless.com, Day Trading Made Easy video course.